In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SEMrush for free to do keyword research and SEO analysis. We'll keep it simple and focus on the key tools you can access without a paid plan. First, open your browser and go to SEMrush.com. Once you're on the home page, click Sign Up in the top right corner. You can register using your email or with your Google or Microsoft account. If you're prompted to verify your email, check your inbox, click the verification link, and then log in to your SEMrush account. After you sign in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, look for SEO tools and select Keyword Overview. This is where you'll start exploring keywords. In the search bar, enter a keyword you want to research. Think of a phrase your audience would actually type into Google, and click Search. SEMrush will display a snapshot of free metrics. Start with search volume, which shows how many times people look for that keyword each month. Then check keyword difficulty, an estimate of how competitive it might be to rank organically. Finally, glance at the trend graph to understand whether interest in the keyword is rising, falling, or seasonal. On a free plan, you'll see a trimmed version of these metrics, but it's still enough to validate your ideas and prioritize topics. Next, click Related Keywords to uncover additional keyword ideas connected to your original term. You'll see variations and longer phrases that can be easier to rank for. Look for options that match your content and your audience's intent, balancing search volume with manageable difficulty. This is a great way to build a list of potential topics without getting overwhelmed. If you want to evaluate a website's presence, use the Domain Overview tool. Enter a site's URL to see free metrics like estimated organic traffic, top organic keywords, and a high-level snapshot of backlinks. Even in the free view, this helps you benchmark competitors or get a quick sense of your own site's visibility. When you're ready to save your findings, click Export. Free accounts have limits, so focus on your most valuable keyword snapshots or domain overviews. Capturing a few targeted reports can keep your research organized and make it easier to reference later. And that's the basic workflow. Sign up, explore Keyword Overview, dig into related keywords, check a site with Domain Overview, and export what you can on the free plan. That's how you use SEMrush for free to explore keywords and SEO insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick SEO tips.